The Luscious Bar is back open again today, guys, and I've got 4 beauty subscription boxes to show you today. Make sure you stay tuned. Back to my Luscious Bar. So glad to have you today. I have 4 beauty subscription boxes that I am going to be showing you today, and we are just going to jump right in it. First box that I have here is from LookFantastic. Oh, and a reminder, all of these boxes I received in June. I know today is July, but at the time of doing this video, I had actually started this in June, just didn't get around. Okay, so first, this is this Molten Brown Bath and Shower Gel. This is in the scent Coastal Cypress and Sea Fennel. I have received other products from Molten Brown in other subscription boxes as well, so that's not new to me. Polar is another brand that's in subscription boxes as well. And this is a fragrance-free sun lotion. This is going to be great for some of us that's going to be going to the beach, sitting out in the sun, if we can finally get some sun. Hello. Next up is an everything mask from Josh Wood Color. This is for the color locking, multitasking, deep conditioning treatment for every hair color. I don't have any hair color in my hair, so this would probably be a product that I would probably give away, or maybe I'll host a giveaway, who knows. Comment down below if you want me to do a giveaway with some of the products in this video. Next up is a lip protection and care with 30 SPF. So this is good for those of us that's having or experiencing dry lips. I know I have been, so this is definitely something I'm going to use. And then I have this sheet mask here from the brand Shangri, and it is a aroma blend moisture mask, and it is an esthetician blend. So this one sounds really good because I have quite a collection of sheet masks and I really enjoy using them. And then last but not least, I did also get a detangler brush, the same color as this cosmetic bag, which is so cute. But unfortunately, it didn't really work well for my 4C hair. I didn't really get any detangling benefits from it, and I actually ended up having a headache. So probably have to toss this one in the garbage since I've already used it. Okay, moving on to the next box. Okay, so the next box that we have here is from GlossyBox, the little pink package with the lovely GlossyBox logo. I quite enjoy my GlossyBox, and because a lot of us are staying home, the theme for this month was very travel related, so I thought that was a really nice touch, especially since we're in this lockdown, but it looks like there's hope at the end of the tunnel. And this is in the theme World of Beauty, and it always comes with a little pamphlet. Most of them do come with pamphlets, and it tells you all of the product sets inside of your box, and it gives you a little breakdown in the description as well as the value of the products. And then there is a little sneak peek for what you could expect in the box next month. Now, unfortunately, I did end most of my subscriptions to all of these boxes because I end up just having a lot of stuff, as you will see. Let's get into the products. So this first one is a liquid metal eyeshadow from the brand Model Co. I don't particularly wear liquid eyeshadows, so again, this would probably be another product that I would have to give away. But the color is really gorgeous. Like, if it was like the regular eyeshadow palette or something like that, then I probably would wear it. But I'm just gonna give this one away because I'm not one to wear liquid eyeshadows. Again, if you hear any background noise, those are my kids. Unfortunately, I have to make my videos in my bedroom. Okay, this is the Vintage Cosmetic Company makeup removing cloths, and there's 2 of them in there, and it has a little animal print design to it, so that's really good. These cloths are really good, like if you're using cleansing balms, you want to remove your makeup and stuff like that. It is really soft, so I'm definitely going to put this to use because I don't wear makeup often, but I am starting to get back into wearing makeup and trying to look a little pretty around the house rather than just sulk in, quarantine. Okay, next I have looks like an eye patch, eye gels. This is from the brand Beauty Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels, and they're going to help brighten, hydrate, and depuff your eyes. And then I have, oh, these look good. This is an eyeshadow brush set from LA Splash Cosmetics. Oh wait, there seems to be 2 of them in there. So one is for setting, and one is for defining. Oh, it's hiding on the side here. That's why I didn't see it. Okay, so we have two inside here. These look really good. So since I'm going to be trying to do some makeup, definitely going to be using these as well. And then lastly, we have a Huda Beauty, Huda Beauty, Huda Beauty Lifeliner Duo Eyeliner Pencil and Liquid. So obviously, look like I'm not going to open this because I think I'm going to give this away. I'm not sure what color this is in, but it's from Huda Beauty, and I'm sure someone out there is really going to like it. The packaging is really cute though, and I think that is it for my glossy box. Okay, guys, this is our third box. That means we are almost to the end. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. I just got two more boxes to show you. Okay, so this one is from Roccabox. So I think this is one of my favorite boxes. That I feel like I get really nice products inside this box. I mean, all of them are pretty nice, but I like Roccabox because I have gotten some really nice full-size products from here and things that I can actually use. So there is a little pamphlet in here that gives you a breakdown of what your product is as well as the retail cost. So that's also nice to know. Okay, so I have here an Ico Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner. I have received products from Ico in other subscription boxes, so I'm very excited to add this to my collection. And this is a Beauty Pro Eye Therapy Under Eye Mask with collagen and green tea. I have received Beauty Pro masks before as well. So I'm expanding my collection, and this is nice. This is a lipstick that's actually in a color called Tulip that I think I would definitely be able to use. Very excited for that, and that's from the brand called May with two Y's. And I have a small sample size of an Avant Duo Moisturizer. I have received two full-size products from the Avant skincare in other boxes, so I'm just going to be adding that to my collection. And then lastly, I have this shampoo and conditioner from Charles Worthington, and this has a diamond shined conditioner, and both is for weightless mirror shine hair. Okay, so that is it for Roccabox. Now we're going to be moving on to our final box, and this is from Latest and Beauty. Okay, so this is Latest in Beauty. The concept behind Latest in Beauty is that you get to pick your edit. So you're not going to be sent random products that you don't know what's going to be, like the other three boxes that I just showed you. So this is your edit. They give you access to maybe about 100, maybe 120 products. Some of them are sample size, some of them are full size, and you get to pick each one that you like. So everything you see here is what I picked out for myself, so I know what's in my box. And that first one was a caffeine body mask with coffee beans and noni fruit extract. And then I also picked up these lashes from Eldora. These are handmade lashes. I thought they looked really cute and they're high quality. And they're also reusable, and they come with adhesive. So, it's nice to always have a little pair of lashes. And as you can see, I already picked out this eye therapy mask. And the thing is, I didn't know I was getting this in my Roccabox. So I ended up having two of them. And I think that's fine. Next up is this firming body mask. I'm sorry, this is a firming day cream. I'm sorry. And this is from Clarins, which I think is a really nice brand. I don't have much products from Clarins, but I thought it looked interesting. And I also got another product from Dr. Purpur. I did get, I think the tinted one in another box, so I wanted to get the original balm because I really like their products. And I picked out a lipstick in this box as well. This one is a color that I think is really going to suit me. I won't know until I apply it, but it has this nice coffee looking neutral look that I think I would do like a nice ombre look with, like a little pink in the center, and then top it off with some lip gloss, and that's gonna make my lips look nice and juicy. So yeah, I really like the color of this based on what I saw on the website, but I won't know until I apply it to my lips. And then I also picked out another product from Sport FX. This is their high intensity illuminating trio. I have I think I got a sponge and I got two lip balms from Sport FX from Ladies in Beauty. from the same box. So I definitely looking forward to it. The colors looks really amazing on the website, and based on what I can see here, I think the colors look really nice here as well. They look really pigmented, if that's the correct term. I'm excited to try these out because I definitely want to get back into, more makeup and stuff like that. So I'm excited to try out this highlighter from SportFX. So I think I have a few more products left because I signed up for the box that has 9 products. Oh yes, I have. So I have a few more products here. Okay, so the last 2 products in this box that I picked up, this first one is from Boutique. This is a new brand. I haven't heard from them before, but I thought illuminating drops sounded really nice, like a nice product to have. It looks like it's just liquid. Instead of using the highlighter, you'd probably just use the liquid. I'm going to test it out and see how it works. And then I also got another eyeliner from Ico. As you can see from the Roccabox, I got an Ico eyeliner as well, and I picked out one in this. I actually didn't know what was going to be in my Roccabox, so I picked out this before I even knew. I'm not sure how that happened because usually Roccabox dispatches early in the month, but my latest in beauty doesn't come until the end of the month. So this box that I'm showing you is actually the box from May, the end of May, because I got it beginning of June. Okay, so these are all of the products that I got in all of my boxes. That's the latest in beauty. This one is the Roccabox. Again, 2 eye masks. And then this one at the bottom is the one from GlossyBox. Definitely going to use those makeup removing cloths. And then this one is the one from LookFantastic. Definitely gonna have fun with those makeup brushes. Okay guys, if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching my channel, and I hope you like and subscribe and comment below if you want me to do a giveaway of some of these products.